Hello, I'm Chini from MSK Marai.
Broken bucket handle meniscal tears refer to bucket handle tears with an additional rupture of the meniscal fragment. Identifying broken bucket handle tears on MRI can be challenging. However, it is crucial to be aware of and recognize them because the mobility of the ruptured fragments can lead to significant pain and joint locking. Broken bucket handle tears were observed in both menisci. The ruptured fragments were identified as posterior, anterior, and central. Posterior ruptured fragment. This tear comprises a bucket handle tear with the fragment ruptured anteriorly, resulting in a long posteriorly based segment. The fragment is often displaced into the posteromedial compartment. Anterior ruptured fragment. This tear consists of a bucket handle tear with the fragment rupture near the posterior horn, resulting in a long anteriorly based segment. Central ruptured fragment. This tear consists of a bucket handle tear with the fragment ruptured centrally, resulting in both anteriorly and posteriorly based segments. In this case, the central rupture resulted in the anterior-based segment flipping anteriorly, marked in blue. The posterior-based segment, marked in red, flipped posterosuperiorly into the intercondylar notch region. If only coronal and sagittal images are reviewed, the displacement into the posterior intercondylar notch may appear as a flap tear. However, upon reviewing axial images, it becomes evident that this is not just a flap tear but a broken bucket handle meniscal tear with additional rupture at the central part. For comparison, this patient had previously presented with a large flap tear that was displaced into the intercondylar notch, resembling a bucket handle tear. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, please click the like button.